LG 65-inch Class OLED, the game changer that's about to change your life. You're in the middle of getting ready for work, trying to get your kids' lunches packed and yourself fueled up for the day ahead. You glance at the clock and realize you've got just enough time to throw on some clothes before grabbing that morning coffee. But as you head out the door, you can't shake the feeling that something is off about your old TV. No more tedious scrolling through menus, no more endless waiting for apps to load, no more subpar picture quality ruining the big screen magic of your favorite shows and movies. The LG 65-inch Class OLED changes everything the moment you use it. So what makes this TV so special? For starters, it's powered by LG's next-gen A11 AI Processor Gen 3, which delivers a smarter, more personalized viewing experience. This means that with every show or movie you watch, the AI engine analyzes your preferences and adjusts the picture and sound settings for optimal clarity and detail. But it's not just about speed or smart features, it's about the visual quality itself. With over 8.3 million self-lit smart pixels, this TV boasts perfect black and perfect color that will leave you speechless. Imagine walking into a room where the TV is seamlessly blending with its surroundings, creating an immersive viewing experience that feels like you're right in the action. And then there's the sound. With Dolby Vision color and contrast, Dolby Atmos immersive sound, and Filmmaker Mode with ambient light technology, this TV brings big screen magic home in a way that's never been possible before. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie or your favorite sports game, every detail comes alive on this stunning display. But what really sets the LG 65-inch Class OLED apart is its ultimate gaming capabilities. With a 165Hz refresh rate, NVIDIA G-Sync, and AMD FreeSync Premium, this TV delivers a response time of just 0.1 millisecond, making it the ultimate choice for serious gamers. And don't worry about the long term, LG's OLED Care ensures that your investment will last, with features like reduced blue light emission and a protective coating to keep your screen looking its best for years to come. But let's get back to what makes this TV truly special. Imagine using this TV tomorrow morning to catch up on your favorite show or start the day off right. Picture perfect colors, crystal clear sound, and an immersive viewing experience that puts you right in the heart of the action. That's what owning the LG 65-inch Class OLED is all about. So why settle for anything less? Click the link below to experience the future of home entertainment for yourself, and discover a whole new world of possibility with this game-changing TV.